Good morning, everyone. Todd from Walnut Ridge Service Department. As you all know, it is Video Friday. Welcome back, everyone that might have took some time off Thanksgiving. We were off about 4 or 5 days here at the shop. Well-deserved time with family. Now we're back at it. So I wanted to hit a few points here on maintenance. Cannot stress this enough on maintenance. So this unit here, so slide fascia, I'm going to this side first because we've already done this side. The slide fascia's been back on. We have resealed everything, resealed floor line molding, which is this right here. Your fascias, you need to check your sealants every 90 days. It's imperative. And if you see any sealant gaps, voids, 100% straight silicone will seal this right up. But I'm going to show you once we get to the other side of this unit what can happen. And I'm going to say this probably happened by the damage of the look of the floor, probably, and it's probably been going on for at least a year, maybe a little longer. This unit is only about 3.5 years old. So we're gonna go around the other side, and I'm gonna go over all that with you. All right, we're on the other side of this unit. We are replacing this slide out floor. As you can see, there's not a floor in there right now, so the technician is in process on this. So he's got the old floor out, getting ready, prepping it to install the new slide out floor. I'm just going to show you here real quick the slide out floor, the original. So you can see how it started in the corner over here, and it is wicked this far in, almost half the length of this slide out floor. So like I was saying earlier, this is really bad. I mean, it's gone. So I'm going to say probably in the last year and a half, it's hard to speculate exactly, but I'm probably pretty close. So like I said, this unit is only about 3.5 years old. We did have to do 2 slide out floors. The one is already done. So we're going to go back over here to this slide out. So that's why I wanted to give you a reference of what I was talking about on slide out fascias. So obviously since we had to remove all the slide out fascias to be able, the corner block and the floor line rail here on both sides, had to remove the J-wrap fender skirt to be able to get that slide floor out. But sealant is your friend. You just need to check your sealants every 90 days. So this one had an entry point of 2 different areas. It was water was getting in from the slide out fascia running down inside onto the slide out floor. And it was also, so that corner I showed you back here of the slide out floor, it was just crumbled. That would have been right here in this corner. So it was also leaking in from the floor line molding, which you can see residual of sealant, but you can see the discoloration in the sealant. So this had never had any, I'm assuming, maintenance done. They may have been doing maintenance, but they may not have known about this. So folks, with your slide outs, just visually inspect your sealants. So like right here, sealants look good, but you just want to check them. I mean, a little 1/4 inch void in your sealant, and then you don't know about it, that water's getting, and you're not going to notice it. I mean, it's going to take months before you notice it. And you may not even notice it till one day you go to run your slide out or in, and it won't go in or all the way back out because the slide out floor has rotted bad enough. It's put stress on that motor. And then you may notice, oh, why is this? Maybe there's something wrong with my motor. Maybe there's something else going on. Brought it into us. Sure enough, it was due to the floor being rotted and that excessive strain on the motors. And this is what we found. So it'll be back to as good as new. But again, folks, if you're in doubt, have any questions, contact one of our service advisors. They're well versed in all the mechanical and issues with these things, the slide out maintenance, what you need to look for, what you need to do. Or if you just want to bring it in, have us check it out, do the maintenance, we'll get you taken care of. Hope this helps. Have a great day.